So talking about the linear equation, we have to know certain things. First is x equals to y plus 2. So this is a linear equation. equation. So talking about linear equation, we have to know certain things. First of all, let's say if we are having an equation which looks like this: x equals to y plus 2. So this is a linear equation. So we can observe that the power of these variables is singular, which is 1. So it is not x equals to y square. Had it been like that, it wouldn't have been a linear equation. So if we have to draw a graph of this equation, then how will it look like? So let's put some values in it, in this equation. So we are having, when y equals to 0, then x will be 2. Why? Because let's say x equals to 0 plus 2, now it has become 2. So that's how it will be 2. Now if we will put y equals to 1, then x will be equals to 3. And if we will be having, so let's put that value over here as well. Sorry, yeah, this will be 3 and this will be 1. And if you will have y equals to minus 1, then it will be, then x will be minus 1 plus 2 equals to 1. So over here 1. So now we have three values: 2 0, 3 1, and 1 minus 1. So 2 0, the equation was 2 0 was x equals to y plus 2, and we are having x y. So when y was 0, then we had x equals to 2. If y was 1, then x was 3, and when y is minus 1, then x is 1. Let's have another which will be minus 2, then it will be 0. So now we have to just plot these numbers. So first of all, we will see that if x was 0, then y is minus 2. Then, and if we are having x positive 1, then y is negative 1. And when we are having x equals to 3, then we have y equals to 1. And when we are having x equals to 2, then y is 0. x2 and y is 0. So the graph will look like this. It will be a long straight line. So this is how the graph looks like of the equation x equals to y plus 2. So talking about the linear equations, we just saw x equals to y plus 2. So we just saw the graph of x equals to y plus 2, and we observed that when we are talking about linear equations, then there has to be this equals to. Then we have to understand that the power, maximum power, would be 1 of these variables, and the graph will always be linear. So it will be like a straight line in the graph. It cannot be like a parabola or some random shape. So it cannot be zigzag, something like this. It has to be some straight line in whatsoever angle it can be. So this was a brief about linear equations. We will discuss more about linear equation in later videos. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for receiving more updates from Being Skilled.